looking like. And then I'm just gonna take my edge booster and put it right on my scalp. Yeah, so when y'all doing this by yourself, I feel for like where the parts at. That's why y'all see me doing my hair. I'm trying to feel if the part's straight or not. And they be getting me far. They be getting me very much far without trying to break my neck or having to get a second mirror. So yeah, you just feel around and see how big you are. I'm gonna try to put 3 on the back row. Try. Okay. Then I'm not about to try to attempt knotless today, so I'm just gonna do the rubber band method. It's easier when you're doing your hair by yourself. Then y'all see me doing the rubber band method because this is the easiest, quickest way you can really get your hair done. And make sure it ain't too tight. But tight enough because when you wrapping around and doing your braid, you know what I'm saying? It'll tighten up over the course of you putting the actual braid in. So don't make it too tight. You're gonna want to take them out. And sometimes you can feel like if it's not how you want it to be. And I probably just messed it up right there, but. You are like balancing stuff out, like it just makes sense. Like it would make sense to me to get 3 braids on this one if it really fit more. Even though I want it to be big. Then who y'all knows freaking parts look like I had help and I didn't. Then I know I'm not the only person that gotta sit in front of a mirror to do their hair, even though the mirror is clearly not helping me. I just want the mirror right there. I don't know why, because I'm not even on the front yet, so I really don't know. Just make sure you're not putting extra hair that don't belong in the okay, so I'm gonna be back when I'm probably I'm halfway done, more than halfway done with my hair. I just got this one right here and probably like three braids to hand it. So yep, I did all this off camera. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know if y'all know how to do a box braid, but it's so easy, you can't mess up. So we're gonna take one little piece and wrap it around to cover up the rubber band. And then just start braiding how you would do like a plait or anything else. And you can break down your hair so it's easier for the braid to come out. Yeah, in this case, because this is like the perfect size of what I want. And then y'all, the freaking color in the front is literally the same color as the one in the back, but it's a little off. But I don't know why it looked like this right here. This is so easy. I learned how to do box braids, I think, in, I want to say my 6th grade year. So I was probably 10. About to be 11 if it was later on in the year, but basically at 10. I learned how to do the thing. And then I'm adding more hair in so it can be longer and meet my other braids. So, yep. So make sure when you add in hair, it's not like a lot of hair, so it's overpowering whatever you already got going on. Your braids shouldn't be bigger down here just because you added hair than it is up here. So, yeah. And then like towards the bottom, make sure you just giving yourself like length. Don't try to braid this down here. Just give yourself some length, and then when you're doing the hot water, you're gonna see how it come together. You really don't have to braid all the way down at a certain point, because you're just like, why am I braiding at this point? We'll make sure it don't look tacky when you are finished braiding. So like these right here, I cut this already, so this is the one I just got done with. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So I'm gonna end up cutting this to even it out with all the rest of them. That's what I did to the ones in the back already, and then when it's time to put them in the water, it's just gonna all come together. It's not gonna look undone how they look right now. You can tell that they're, you know, you could tell. I accidentally got the hair that's not pre-stretched, so I gotta stretch it myself. I really don't like this. It's so time-consuming. And then y'all, I'm learning how to make intros or whatever. So we're gonna see how my intro come together probably in the next video. Probably not this video, probably the next one. I'm gonna have a new intro, hopefully. And then I'll probably have another new intro after like August, whenever me and my girlfriend go out of town for her birthday. Cause I plan on taking some bomb pictures. We went to Mexico. It was like a really a getaway trip. Like we still put clothes and bits together, but it wasn't like no. I had a chance to take pictures, if that makes sense. But that was cool and chill. It was just experience. It wasn't like a video or like a photography type of trip. Yes, you are. It's too long, but that's what comes with the hair being not pretty.
messy like this should not look like this. But whatever. Anybody know like any other protective styles besides braids and wigs? Like, I need something new, okay? Something new. Something I can let my edges breathe, let my edges grow. My hair's not being pulled. Something. My hair's gonna dread up if it doesn't sound too long. Outlet. Yeah, but just like temporary, hopefully like a month. What's today? It's about to be July the 1st. So, hopefully it lasts me a month. So, it's August. And then I'm gonna be back with a wig. Oh yeah, so when it gets to like this.
These little two pieces looking like this. We gonna add a piece of her in. I know I didn't just add it in on this side, but we gonna even it out.
So as soon as we break the first one, we're gonna take her out of there and put it in the little piece of blanket on her. And keep adding her wherever it's needed. Because once again, we gotta make it work because we don't have to push her share.
Then the pre-stretched hair cost probably about 15 cents more, and I did not pay attention to it. So I got 2 non-pre-stretched. Then I picked up
Like the braids in my hair when my hair, like my roots was still like visible from a recent dye. But it is what it is. I don't want to play my hair and like it break off and do it after that. So that's why I'm going here, putting it up. And I'll let it grow because it's already growing. Y'all wouldn't believe me when I say y'all when I dye my hair because it literally grew back within a week. I trim my ends after I dye my hair and everything. And as y'all can see, we back with the natural color already.
Okay, y'all, so I didn't get to record me curling the ends, but I'll probably end up doing it in another video, or just go watch my perm ride set and see how I twisted them up, because that's all I did to end these. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, besties.